What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and this is product reviews. Here we're going to play some more Watch Dogs Legion, Watch Dogs 3, whatever you want to call it. Let's see, I need to refocus our camera here a little bit. Let's go up some now. That looks a little bit better. Alright, let's get into it. Once again, this is product reviews, coming at you with some more gameplay of Watch Dogs Legion. Hopefully y'all enjoy it. And let's get into it.
You're up. No worries, fat man's got this. Look at this. It's an unredacted mission report for 2 SRS agents instructed to plant explosives as part of a training exercise, and it's signed and dated by the Home Secretary himself.
Seems it's a bad day to be the secretary.
You can't seem to take a fucking hit.
What the hell? You can't hide from me.
Look at this! A chain of custody documents for 40 kilos of Semtex. It ricochets through a dozen shell companies, but ultimately ends up registered to an address in Southall. And would you guess who lived across the street from it for 30 years? Victoria and Imran Malik, parents to one Richard.
That doesn't prove a thing.
Fuck off, you stupid drunk. This isn't a picnic and I haven't got any jam. If you shoot this drunk down, I'll ask you politely to go away, but I'm afraid I can't be.
I cannot get across this part for the life of me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I remember why now. I'll stop playing this for a little bit.
has just been taken into Albion custody. So long as you don't cock up that badly, you'll be my
I'll be right back. I need to go tell some kids to do what I told them to
This
do.
microwave drone's been hanging around so long, I've given her a name. I'd like you to meet Ada. Would you mind killing her?
Get it all done, and then we'll look at it. Why do you have to tell kids 15 times what to do? And then 16, 17, 18? Again. Oh, before we do that, let's can I go change that, or is it gonna make me freaking stick with that? I prefer to be able to change it. Can we? During combat. Really? For free? Shit.
Can you do something about this drone? You can't seem to take a fucking hit.
You shot at.
Fuck off, you stupid drone. This isn't a picnic and I haven't got any jam. Could you shoot this drone down? I've asked it politely to go away, but I'm afraid I don't speak big shit. Would you look at this? A chain of custody documents for 40 kilos of Semtex. It ricochets through a dozen shell companies, but ultimately ends up registered to an address in Southall. Would you guess who lived across the street from it for 30 years? Victoria in Paddock. Parents to one Richard. That doesn't prove anything.
Come on.
This microwave drone's been hanging around so long I've given her a name. I'd like you to meet Ada. Would you mind killing her? Bugger off, you clinging little bastard. No, I am not your new daddy.
Three every time now.
Well, this one is heartwarming and incriminating. It seems that the areas of Canada House immediately around the bombs were evacuated in an unscheduled drill. I have an email chain here between the facilities director and an anonymous SIRS account. Funny that didn't make the news.
You think it's incriminating that I tried to minimize the loss of life? Come on, that's so spinnable, I'm motion sick.
This microwave drone is starting to be a real problem over here. this. It's an unredacted mission report for 2 SRS agents instructed to plant explosives as part of a training exercise. And it's signed and dated by the Home Secretary himself.
Seems it's a bad day to be the secretary.
Exciting! Did you know that the head of security for Canada House had a daughter stuck in a Cairo jail? And that she was pardoned the week before the explosion? Why, he would certainly owe a very, very big favour to the SRS officer who pressured the Egyptians, wouldn't he?
I suppose he would.
Please stop this microwave drone. See, the Malic's given up having the microwave drones destroy compromised hardware. Now he's got them targeting you. The effect will be about the same, though.
Oh, shit.
What do we have here? Straight from...
Alright everybody, well, but that's been a very short Watch Dogs video with product reviews. I hope you see the product. It's frustrating right now as I am arrested again. So, y'all have a good one, but I'm going to cut off here because I'm getting irritated. Peace out.